Assalamu alaikum. I am Tawfiqul Islam, Department of CSE. My student ID is 16 CSE 029. Today I am going to talk about my project. The name of my project is Travel Guide application, which is used on mobile phone. This project is supervised by Nasib Ahmed Sir, lecturer, Department of CSE, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology, University Kotamgaj. Now I am talking about my presentation outline. What thing I describe now. Firstly, I am talking about the introductionary part of my application. Then I talking about existing project which is related to my project, from where I get inspired to make this project. Then I talk about overview of my project. Then I talk about technology, which technology I used to implement this application. Then I talking about implementation module, for which platform this application is made for. Then I talk about the main thing of this presentation, that is working process of my application. Then I talk about hardware and software requirement, what thing need to your phone for install this application. Then I talk about the application's limitation and future work. In future, what can I want to do for this project? Then I talk about the conclusion of my project. So, firstly, introductory part of my application, for which basis I made this application. Now I describe to you. We everybody know that in current tourism system, whenever a tourist visit famous spot, to know about more the place, he hires a guide. We everybody know that. If you want to know more about an existing place, you need to hire a guide. Then what the guide do for you? A hired guide then narrates history of the place, describe the history of that place, then you can get information from the uh, guide. But nowadays, everybody know that mobile phone is necessary part of the people's life. There is a continuously rising in a number of mobile computing applications centered on the people's daily life. In such application, location dependent systems have been detected as an important application. Such application which present the architecture and implementation of such a location is commonly known as a smart travel guide. We proposed architecture of mobile tourist guide system for Android mobile phone that is able to provide tourism information to the mobile users conveniently, and the application act like a traveler guide. Additionally, the application would you help the user to find out the weather update of a specific place. Now, I am talking about the existing system which is related to my project. If we want to tour a place, we get information, we get budget, we get many things from where? From newspaper, magazine, radio, or other social network like a Facebook. Is it? But problem is that tourists are not able to get information timely when they are on the move. But we everybody knows that mobile is our essential part, and this device is always with us. And if I install this application from in your mobile, then you can get information easily. But it is related to uh, social media, newspaper, magazine. What information they give to you, this application also give to you. And in the current situation, many mobile phone, many mobile company provide you an application which is related to my project. Then I talk about overview, what features, what thing you get from my application. Firstly, users can get geological coordinate of a place. Then user can convert latitude longitude to street address, and users can video search for that place and displays those to user. User can watch the videos and photos of his choose if you want to know about something or want to see about something of a specific place, you can use my app. Then the user get the weather update from my application. Then I talk about what technology I use to implement my application. Firstly, use Android version. Android application is based on Android Studio, from where I implement my project. Then I use GPS for getting users' current location. Then I use GPRS for internet connectivity between mobile and the server. Then I talk about implementation module, what platform for I made this application. This application developed for only Android phone. It cannot used by iPhone users. Inshallah, I will do it for iPhone next. Then I talking about the working process of my application. Firstly, this is the home page or login page of my application. If you new in this app, then firstly you need to create an account for this access of this application, and after successful sign up, you can log in from this page. So for sign up this application, you need to go sign up page by giving some information about you, your name, your email address and password. Then hit the sign up button. Then you are the user. You are the user of this application, and go back to this page by giving your email address and password. Log in here for accessing everything about this application. Then it's the grand page of my application. If you want to see picture, if you want to see video of a specific place, and if you want to upload any images, any videos for export, you for this reason you need to accept this condition. Then it's the notification page of my application. If any users, which is your friend, uh, he want to go Darjeeling, suppose he wants to go Darjeeling, if he invites you, this application automatically notifies you for a trip. And this is the most important features of my application. From here, you can easily book a hotel for a stay, for rest. You can go hotel booking site for booking a hotel. You can online shop from here. You can get more thing, most famous thing of that place. You can shop from here, and then this application provides you real-time locator. It provides you the current location where you are in now. Then the application gives you the weather update. Then the application get you the weather update from a place where you want to travel. Then this is the update page password and notification read button. If you don't get the notification, you can opt from here. If you want to change your password, you can change your password from this page. And the most important and most exciting thing in my project, we have seen that Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, some of the biggest, some of the famous cities of India. If we want to see the famous place of Bangalore, then we hit Bangalore, and there are some lists by which you can get the famous spot information where are which is in Bangalore. If you want to get about Chennai's famous place, you can hit Chennai button and you can get videos and images of Chennai's famous place by this application. For using this application, what hardware requirements need on your phone? Your phone need to support GPS, GPRS, and your Android. If your Android mobile phone Android version is higher than 1.5, you can install my application and enjoy this application. And the three software things you need to on your phone to access my application. One is Android API higher than 1.5, then Android development tool, then need JDK 5 or higher. Then I am going to talking about the limitation and future work of my project. In this project, there is no ticketing system, but in future, inshallah, I will add ticketing system in my project. In this application, there is no police help system such as 999. Inshallah, in future, we will add this feature in my application. Emergency number such as hotel number, such as police information number, such as uh, who is stay now, hot place you want to go. Inshallah, I will add future in this project. Then I am going to tell about the conclusion about this project. In this project, we present the design and implementation of a mobile application called Travel Guide, with which mobile user can get tourism guidance information they need anytime from anywhere. By Travel Guide, user can get an attraction detailed information including text, including pictures and videos. In particular, a smart travel guide can provide user with location-based information which can be browsed through a map. User can search the nearby attraction after he or she configures the distance between the current location and the view spots. When the user moves out of the current location, the mobile phone will automatically move with you and the location will be changed automatically. So, I recommend you to use my application and enjoy a enjoyable travel. Use this application, and this application must be helpful for you. You can use my application. You can use my application to a guide of your traveling system. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody for hearing me.